Here's what you need to know about what is a cold site versus hot site. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A disaster recovery site is a secondary location used when the primary data center becomes unavailable. Sites are classified as cold, warm, or hot based on how quickly they can resume operations. The faster the recovery, the more expensive the site to maintain. Key concept: cold site. A cold site is an empty facility with power and network connectivity, but no equipment installed. Hardware must be delivered and configured after a disaster, making recovery take days to weeks. It is the cheapest option. Key concept: warm site. A warm site has hardware and connectivity pre-installed, but data is not fully synchronized. Recovery takes hours to days. It costs more than a cold site, but less than a hot site, making it a common middle ground choice. Key concept: hot site. A hot site is a fully operational mirror of the primary data center with live data replication. Failover can occur in minutes or seconds. It is the most expensive option but provides the fastest recovery time. Key concept: cloud as disaster recovery. Cloud platforms now serve as virtual hot or warm sites. Organizations replicate data to cloud storage and spin up virtual machines on demand after a disaster, reducing cost while maintaining fast recovery. Let's look at the full breakdown. Cold site, no equipment pre-installed. Recovery time, days to weeks. Lowest cost option. Warm site, hardware ready, data behind. Recovery time, hours to days. Moderate cost. Hot site, fully mirrored, live data. Recovery time, minutes, highest cost. Here's a real-world example. A bank maintains a hot site 50 miles from its primary data center. All transactions replicate to the hot site in real time. When a fire destroys the primary data center, IT redirects DNS to the hot site within 15 minutes. Customers experience a brief outage, but no data is lost. A company without a hot site would face days or weeks of downtime recovering from backup tapes. Quick recap before you go. 1. Cold site, empty facility, cheapest, slowest recovery, days to weeks. 2. Warm site, hardware ready but data not fully synced, hours to days. 3. Hot site, fully operational mirror with live data, fastest, most expensive. 4. Cloud DR provides flexible warm-hot site capabilities at lower cost. 5. Choose site type based on your RTO and RPO requirements. That's what is a cold site versus hot site covered. Exam tip: memorize the 3 tiers. Cold =, cheap and slow. Warm =, middle ground. Hot =, expensive and fast. Exam questions describe a scenario and ask which site type fits. If they say real-time replication and minutes to recover, it is a hot site. Next up, what is RPO and RTO? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.